there, it's Kayla Matthews with your journey home at RE/MAX Alliance, and today we're here in beautiful Bailey, Colorado at the newest listing located at 4968 County Road 72. One of the things that you're going to fall in love with on this property is the usable lot. As you can see, it has a circle driveway surrounded by trees, there's local wildlife, and distant mountain views. Another wonderful feature that you're sure to fall in love with this property is it's been meticulously maintained for over 20 years. The exterior has been recently stained, there's a newer roof, brand new furnace, new fireplace, and so much more. So let's go take a peek at this wonderful property. Living in the mountains, we tend to live the mountain lifestyle and have lots of toys. Well, not to worry, there's plenty of storage, as you can see behind me, for all of your mountain lifestyle needs. Another thing that you're sure to love about this property is the location. It's located in Berlin Ranchette, which the residents get to enjoy private fishing at the local lakes and a quick access to Highway 285 for your high country adventures or to town for those commuters. So if you or someone you know are interested in this property, let me know for your private tour or for any questions. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.